name's Jason Abernathy. I'm an operator for Ames Construction for the past 11 years, and I love this machine. The new monitor in the 470G is very user-friendly, very easy to navigate through. It's all, compared to the 450D, it's, your monitor's longer, a little more clear, and the dial system going through the monitor makes it very easy to maneuver through all your settings. And another plus to the 470G is the rear view camera in the back. It's pretty precise on what it's showing behind you, very helpful. You still want to use your mirrors all the time, but that rear view camera in the back is a big help. The 470G has, and I've put it through rigorous digging and rock, trenching, fine grading, picking, and it's done everything that I've wanted it to do power-wise and had no problems. I like it that I don't feel like I'm cramped in a capsule. I ran the Cat 349E and it just felt like everything was so tight around me. Visibility wasn't that good, and the visibility in the 470G is exceptional. The room in the cab room, I'm a big guy and I can get in there and get comfortable. And when I step out of that machine after a 10-12 hour shift, I feel good. The number one feature on the cab for me on the 470G is the visibility out of the cab is excellent. Your right side, which is generally your blind side, the big open window, is a great benefit. The cutout, the bigger door and the cutout on the side, where you can see down next to your tracks. Bringing these machines in tight spaces, it's not always wide open. You need to see where you're sitting, and that's a big plus.
You have to run it snap.